Welcome. Welcome to the live session. This is our first live. We have started the Tokyo sessions live again to increase our probability to become a trader faster than anticipated. The more learning, the more trading, the better experience, and becoming better and better every single day. So we will be doing this live session, this Tokyo session live, and also we'll be doing our next live in NY session, so 1 hour later than what we usually do. So this is gonna be our balance between the London session, Tokyo session, as well as NY session. So you have a clear idea about the market, how we can trade that. And in the meantime, traders, I believe that everyone really enjoying the live session every single day. If you are enjoying, make sure you smash the like button. And if you're not enjoying, also give a thumbs up and also suggest what can be done to improve more and more so that we can serve every trader in this globe, to help learning the strategy, to help learning how to trade liquidity. So because this is the real trading secret, that smart money trade every single day. So if you in the beginning, also you can see the link below this video for the website. You are welcome to understanding the liquidity concept. So to understand liquidity, the concept of liquidity, you can find link below this video. Visit the website. In the meantime, let's look at what kind of opportunity we have in the market, to see if there is anything straight away that we can look at, or we will be waiting for further confirmation. We can see that we can look at XAU USD as well as GJ. Most of the instruments are trending. So also if you look at the market, let's look at what kind of news also coming later. So if you look at the Forex factory calendar, you can see that the calendar showing that this is coming up on calendar later 5:30 p.m. CHF. So back to back through 3 high impact news on CHF: S&P monetary policy assessment, S&P policy rate, S&P press conference. So 3 high impact news coming in the next hour or so, including big night. I think I'm a bit confused here, 1 second. So we might see that one is coming on Wednesday, so that CHF is on Thursday. Pardon me, my apologies. So I messed up with the timing. So today we have seen that CAD and AUD. So the next news coming on CHF is tomorrow, because time zone is a little bit confusing. So we will be looking at, in fact, all of this, as tomorrow is a big day for USD and CHF. So we'll definitely have an impact on XAU USD, that is on gold, as well as on other instruments. So we'll be looking at one by one to see how we can find trading opportunity in the market. So let me know when everyone is present so that we can begin the full analysis. Hypnos, welcome. Hafsat, yes boss, good morning. Thank you for joining the live session. So I believe everyone is present. Today is this is the first live session in this time. So probably many of you haven't got yet the full announcement. So we will be continuing this live also every single day to understand the Tokyo session as well as the NY session, how the market is doing. So let's quickly look at, in the meantime, let's do a full multi-time frame analysis to see where the market is heading. So if you look at here, okay, so looking at the monthly chart on XAU USD. So from the monthly, I'll be doing a full multi-time frame analysis, and then also we will be jumping on the lower time frame. Even if we are doing the 1 minute chart trading, having clear picture about the the long-term picture is always the best way to see which way things are heading. Even if you want to be a trader in the same process, If you want to look at the market, you need to look at the bigger picture. If you want to be a trader also, you need to look at the bigger picture, where you are going in 2 years, 5 years time. Always having a bigger picture will give you an understanding about the market structure, about the liquidity, and also about the price action. So stick till the end to learn everything, and also we'll be discussing about the how you can develop a very sound trading psychology, which is an important part of becoming a consistently profitable trader. So let's quickly look at the monthly chart to see overall picture in the market. So we can see that monthly perspective, this is the monthly impulse followed by this correction, and we can see another impulse followed by another correction, and we can see another impulse. So it is basically creating series of higher high and higher low, which is an uptrending market structure. Now in that uptrending market structure, if we look at, we can see that the price is basically moving in a very stronger momentum. And because this is the monthly candle which is closing in couple of days, so we may see that XAU-USD is remaining bullish. If you closely look at here, and dropping down to the weekly chart to see from the weekly also, we can see after back-to-back 3 weeks of doji formation, after 3 weeks of smaller doji formation, XAU-USD had an upside bias, which is basically a stronger bullish momentum on this one. And therefore what we can see that on XAU-USD, with this bounce, the market may continue to rise to the upside. This is the weekly, which is the resistance turning support here on the weekly perspective. If we drop down to the daily chart, what we can see that from the daily, this is the daily, you can see it's a daily impulse, a big impulse correction, another impulse. We can expect deeper correction on XAU-USD. And with that daily correction, okay, so what we can see that here, for the market to drop, grab liquidity, and then to bounce back up for long-term perspective on XAU-USD. So from the if we look at the 4-hour chart on XAU-USD, we can see that this is where I was very interested on going for potentially bull, because from the 4-hour it is a strongly bullish market. We can see that here is the impulse consolidation, another impulse consolidation, another impulse. Now it is in another sideways movement on XAU-USD. So therefore what we can see that here the market it's dropping, means that, which is good to see that it's dropping down for a deeper pullback. Guys, in the meantime, I would appreciate if you smash the like button if you haven't done yet. Will be helpful to the channel for growth, as well as when the channel is growing. Definitely you guys also will be able to grow with me together, because there's a lot of educational content that I'm posting every single day to help every trader. So make sure you don't miss out any part of the live session. And also there will be giveaway that we are giving away every single day. So now 2 sessions, two mentorship program will be given away to join the academy. And if you guys look at, you can see that there is we also have launched our liquidity concept, idea of liquidity to know how the market is doing. So if you look at here, what we can see that this is, if you guys closely look at, this is the best trading strategy you will ever find. In my opinion, I'm not saying that is the entire globe, because it's my personal experience. There's a big disclaimer about it. So because it's, to me, is the one that I'm using every single day to trade the market. So if you want to also join and also learn the concept of liquidity, you can find the link below this video in the description. Also join the free Telegram channel. You can find on the website, or in the website link in the description. So once you join the free Telegram channel or join directly via the website, there will be a lot of opportunity for you to learn and grow as a trader, especially the smart money concept to learn. I learn in hard way, so I want to help for those who are here to help you to in your growth, so that you understand an institutional approach to trade the market, to see how how to apply the concept. And I will be also teaching in the VIP Academy with one-on-one as well as in the group. So in addition to the live session that we are doing, so don't miss out that opportunity as well. So now at the moment, what we can see on XAU USD here is the bullish momentum, expecting deeper pullback. And with that pullback, so what we can expect here in the lower time frame, this is the 1 hour chart and 15 minute. Okay, so lower time frame, we see that there is a head and shoulder formation. And with that head and shoulder, okay, so what we can see that in this head and shoulder, this is an important level of support. So with that being said, here is a drop. The market is dropping in that direction, expecting for the market to come down to create a new lower low. Now you can see that there is a big drop here, pullback, and expecting it to drop down further to create a new lower low. So looking at here on the 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, we can see that after this bounce, it's trying to drop again. If we look at the daily, what we can see that on the daily time frame, this is the daily big impulse on the daily, which is basically pretty strong impulse, and expecting it to come down for a deeper pullback. We may see that far or may not see, but we'll see that how far it is coming. So based on the price action confirmation, we will be looking for entry on XAU USD, as well as we will be looking at other instrument as well. Let's see how far it is going. And in the meantime, traders, also don't miss out any link you can find in the description. If you want to trade on the recommended broker or get funded, you can find all the links in the description. You can use them to get access to, and also there is a coupon available for you to use, so you can use that from the description of this video. So let's see now, with that in mind, XAU USD, we can see the market trend is down at the moment locally. And looking at the 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and we can see that there is a back-to-back 3 doji formation. So with that in mind, see the 5 minutes and the 1 minute. Okay, so yeah, now we have come to the 1 minute chart to see what it is trying to do, and based on that we can look for potential entry. So we will be relating 1 minute with the daily to see how the market is evolving. Based on that, we can look for potential entry opportunity. And thanks for joining the live session. I see that likes is going up. Absolutely appreciate, and any question you can ask in the live chat. So in this time we will be also covering because this is the time where the market has started to become volatile, and you want to cover the basic where the market is heading, so that we can also prepare for trade setup as well as the NY session, how the market might be doing. Thank you guys, and for joining the live session. Okay, what you can see here is from the 1 minute, we can see that there is a potential bounce. Waiting for potential entry. Okay, so we can see XAU USD currently a little bit in a sideways market, and we will be looking for you can see that it is dollar yen, GBPJPY. Also, we will be looking for potential trading opportunity. If we look at the British pound US dollar, we can see that there is a British pound US dollar also dropping down, and we can see that GBPJPY, dollar yen, we can see quite a few instrument. GBPUSD currently it's also trending in that direction, so we'll be looking for if we look at the British pound US dollar, as tomorrow also dollar Swiss franc coming and news, we will be looking at that as one as well. So British pound US dollar, if we look at we can see that from the lower time frame on GBP USD, let's see what kind of trade coming on GBP USD. You can see that this is the lower time frame. For our perspective, this is a pretty strong drop on British pound US dollar in a very strong uptrend. Let's see where it is heading now. GBP USD, if we look at, we can see that British pound US dollar also, it is a long-term bull market. We can see that there is a very strong impulse on British pound US dollar, and with that long-term impulse on British pound US dollar, we can see there is a bounce. And looking at the weekly, we can see that back-to-back 2 weeks of dodgy formation, there is a pretty strong bounce on British pound US dollar from the weekly. And if we look at the daily, what we can see that from the daily, This is the daily. There is a bounce, pullback, another bounce. It's coming for a deeper pullback on British pound US dollar at the moment. And what we can see here is this is the previous resistance turning support here. And from the lower time frame, we can see also this is the 4-hour. Quite impressive movement here, expecting for a deeper drop to the support. And if we look at that support on GBPUSD, we can see that from the 1-hour lower time frame price action, locally we might see some downside here, but the global trend is up. So you always will be looking at the global trend. So if you're not sure about local and global trend, also guys, let me know, we can discuss in depth. So looking at the global trend on British pound US dollar is bullish, and in that global trend there is a, if you guys look at it, you can see there is a liquidity zone here, and also there are a couple of liquidity zone in those areas as well. And if the market is dropping to that liquidity zone, we can look for potential entry opportunity in that market. So if you look at here, we can see that from the, this is the 15 minutes and 5 minutes. So if you look at the 1 minute even, we can see that this is the 1 minute chart on British pound US dollar. And with that being said, we can see big drop. Now it might be going back up for another pullback. So a couple of levels that we can look at on British pound US dollar. So if you look at the 1 hour, there is a drop, and then we can see the market is bouncing to the upside. So 30 minutes and lower time frame on British pound US dollar, we can see some movement here. Let's quickly again look at XAU USD. We see that this market a little currently in a sideways, which is good because we have seen that pretty strong uptrend yesterday, and after this strong uptrend, we saw that XAU USD basically currently moving in the sideways market. So if we look at the 1 hour, we can see, and in the 30 minutes time frame, 15 minutes, little bit in a sideways, which is good for us to see that the market might be showing potential opportunity in the upcoming session. So because when the market in a sideways, we might see that a strong breakout or breakdown after a sideways movement. So looking at lower time frame, so if you look at the 1 minute chart, so you can see there is a channel here, pretty interesting channel on the 1 minute. So you can see here is a narrow channel, and in this channel we can see series of higher low and the bounce back to the upside. We'll be waiting for a potential breakout or breakdown on XAU USD as soon as we will find that. And in the meantime, also we will be looking for any opportunity with other instrument. You can write down on the live chat if you see an instrument showing trading opportunity while I'm taking just 1 minute break. Okay, so let's see on euro dollar. We can see that on euro dollar it is if you look at the 15 minutes, we can see that on euro dollar pretty impressive price action. And looking at we can see that on euro dollar, if we look at the 5 minutes, there is a potentially there was a consolidation and breakdown pullback. So also we'll be looking at to see what kind of opportunity we have on euro USD. If we look at the 30 minutes time frame on euro dollar, we can see that the market is trying to break below, though it is an uptrend. So I will be more interested on a reversal confirmation after this drop. We might see that breaking below on euro dollar. We'll see where it is heading. So we can see that if we look at the 1 minute, there is a very strong bounce, and we can expect a deeper pullback here. And with that pullback on euro dollar, we'll see where it is heading. Now if we look at closely, if we look at 1 minute on euro dollar, we can see that it is in a downtrend, and with this downtrend, expecting it to drop, we might see that it's breaking below this support level, which we could see eventually. Okay, what we can see, let's look at again on XAU USD, a little sideways movement. Look at this, is the resistance line here, and in that resistance we can see there is a doji, wanting to see that the market is from this channel we might see potential breakout here from the 4 hour, wanting to see that it's going back to the resistance line. And any question, guys, let me know. Thank you. Thanks, boss. I've been missing you. Emmanuel, welcome. No more missing. We always here on trading desk, trading live every single day, so don't miss out. I'm glad sell. I'm in gold sell at 2658. Look, I'm not selling at the moment is because this market is extremely bullish, and in that bull market, I always look for, when the market is bullish, I will be looking for buying opportunity. As in an uptrend, always better to look for buying. Let's see where it is. Appreciate. Thank you. Good morning. Thank you. Good morning. Maury Grace, welcome. GBPJPY, good morning. Your USD seems to be right at weekly resistance, so let's see where it is heading. Now Euro USD, we can see there is a movement, but XAU USD, we can see it's just heading to that level. And look at the 1 minute. If we look at the 1 minute, a little bit of choppy market on XAU USD. But I think that if you guys look at, you can see it is a sideways movement. And because it is in a sideways movement, we might see a potential break to the upside. Okay, here in this level resistance line, maybe we could see some short-term drop here on XAU USD. And if we see that short-term drop, for me, if we want to sell, then I would like to see that it's heading to the 1 hour resistance, and then we might see that potential selling opportunity. At the moment, we see that a complete sideways movement. Okay, so here what we can see, it is this is a narrow consolidation pattern. From that narrow pattern, expecting it to break in that direction, we could see that potential break in that direction from this narrow pattern. And in the meantime, traders, if you are enjoying the live session, make sure you smash the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press the notification bell so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every day. We'll see where it is heading. And let's see on GJ, you can see there is a sudden break below on GBPJPY. Thank you. So do you mean sell? Not yet. Another opportunity to sell if it goes well. Well, for me, you can see it's in a, I'll delete all of them, we'll redraw it so that you can see clearly. So if you look at the 5 minutes, you can see it is a very narrow consolidation pattern. Okay, so with that narrow consolidation pattern, okay, so we might see that the market is breaking below, you know, which is absolutely important to see that. But if I could see a long wick candle here like that, I would be more interested to sell because it didn't grab much liquidity. We have seen there's a false breakout here, but not a very strong breakout that could lead this price to drop. We'll see how far it goes. GJ, welcome. Sir, is there any VIP channel on Telegram? Yes, there is a VIP group where you can learn and grow as a trader with me. So if you guys not yet here, you can find link below this video. Visit the website www.forextradingwizard.com. So where also you'll be able to learn the concept of liquidity. So welcome to liquidity concept with Forex Trading Wizard Academy, find link below this video where join us to become part of the trading community. We have few spots on the mentorship to take in. If you are not there yet, make sure you check out the link in the description. Also stay connected by joining the free Telegram channel. Also, I do share many of my educational content in the free Telegram channel to help the community. And also, in addition, if anyone want to learn more, make sure you stick till the end of the live session. At the end of the live session, there will be giveaway. Every, I think the camera was off. So every live session, there is one mentorship program, as well as with that giveaway, you will be able to also join the liquidity concept to understand how the market is doing. Thank you. You can see that there is a head and it's forming a head and shoulder. It's forming kind of head and shoulder here, and with that head and shoulder formation, we'll see where the market might be heading. Okay, so from the 1 minute, we can see that it is forming kind of bearish structure, but because it's a bull market, we can look for selling, because if it breaks down, we might see even a sudden break, even again back to that support. But I wouldn't say that it's gonna happen at the moment. Let's wait for the market to show its hand to see where the price might be heading to. Because as I mentioned, it's a long-term uptrend. We saw this massive consolidation in that area. And with that consolidation, to see where it is heading. We can see the market trying to break below here. Okay, so from the 30 minutes, we can see that there is a meltdown and it might drop back to that support here. Like to see how far it is going, guys. In the meantime, traders, if you are enjoying the live session, make sure you give a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that notification bell so that you're not missing any of the content that I'm posting every single day. Thanks for joining this live session. This is Tokyo session. There will be another one in NY session. Also, we'll be looking at. In this session, we are looking at potential trading opportunity in the market. BTC USD, sir. Please check. Thank you very much. GBPJPY looking for buy or sell side. Good morning. GBPJPY target. I need gold to drop to my TP 2650. So you TP at here could be, or it might go entirely sideways. I'm not very fan of trading against the trend, because trading against the trend is basically going against the flow. So when you trade against the trend, you're basically going against the flow. It's like rowing your boat against the current, where you are just going, wasting all your energy but not going anywhere. Good morning. Excellent. Thank you very much. Good morning. Coach, help me check on dollar yen. Yeah, we will be looking at that as well. Thank you. Well. So you'll see that here, XAU USD, it may try to drop in that direction now at the moment. Great job. Great job. Okay, here 1 minute candle, which is a potential liquidity candle formation. So short term potential drop possible. Daily, the price on the daily support, and So the 5 minutes is a long wick candle being formed on the 5 minutes time frame. Suitable entry is very important to see when the market is showing up. There is a very strong long wick doji formation in that area, and okay, so here is we can see a drop pullback, and the market is trending in that direction. So and in the meantime, appreciate your support. Also, to explore more about the concept of liquidity, you can, guys and girls, find a link below this video in the description. Also visit the website www.forextradingwizard.com, where you can find how to learn and grow as a trader with me, learning the smart money trading concept, understanding the liquidity concept, to know that more and more. Look like to see that here is this is the 15-minute chart, and so GBPJPY, we can see that there is a complete bounce to the upside on GJ. From the intraday perspective, this is a bull market. Let's quickly look at on GBPJPY how it is doing. Now, looking at the monthly, I will be looking at higher time frame and also looking at the lower time frame to see overall picture in the market. So it's almost at the end of the month, and we can see that GBPJPY, after the previous monthly doji, this month the market is moving back to the upside with a you can see this is a bullish candle on GJ. And if we look at the weekly chart, we can see that from the weekly, this is a weekly support, and with that, this is the weekly support level on GJ. If the market is dropping down, we may find a bullish opportunity on GBPJPY, as it is a bull market. My bias will be long-term upside. And if we look at, the daily, here is the main point that we need to look at on the daily. There is a long wick at the top on the daily, and there is a doji. You can see a complete rejection, followed by, we can see that there is a long wick candle here on the daily on GJ. So two bullish candle, and the market now going up to fill that long wick at the top. So if you look at the 4 hour, where we can see that there is also a bull candle, doji, another bullish engulfer, and in this instrument on GBPJPY, So we can expect for the market to return back to its original resistance line. The trend is up, so my bias on GJ will be to the upside to see how the market is doing. And if we look at the 1 hour, and we can see that in this lower time frame, this is a big bounce. The market has come back to this previous resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, which is turning support here. And because the market is turning, this is a resistance turning support, we can expect now potential rejection towards the upside on GJ. So looking at the 15 minute, we can see that from the 15 minutes perspective, this is where we can see there is a consolidation here, drop, and the market is now trending to the upside, forming series of higher high and higher low, which is basically in an uptrending market structure. So looking at the lower time frame on GBPJPY, we could see that potentially market is trending to the upside. And yeah, this is a significantly bull market. And in the meantime, traders, I appreciate your support to the channel. Thank you for joining the live session. There will be giveaway at the end of the live session, so don't miss out any piece of this live session. And any question, don't hesitate to ask. And also, if you smash the like button to the same as the view, will be helpful to the channel. And also, I'm always here to give the best trading opportunity possible in the market. So looking at the 1 minute chart, on GJ, we can see that this is the 1 minute price action, and the 15 minutes extremely bull. Hope that you are enjoying the live session, and wait for the giveaway coming up, guys. Don't miss out any piece of this live session. Okay, here where you can see that narrow bounce. There's a big bounce pullback, and it is in another bounce. So are you guys ready for any trade coming along the way? So you can see double top formation here. And after the double top formation, the market now slowly returning back towards the downside, and that drop might lead that price back to the support. We can see that XAU USD after significant drop again getting some rejection here. Thank you. And let's look at some other pairs as well. You can see the dollar yen, GBPJPY, both of them in an uptrend. So especially GBPJPY, if it is coming to the support again, can give us potential entry. And I'll be interested on still to be bullish. The nearest support here on GBPJPY is in that area, which is the 4-hour support level. And therefore in this area, see where it is heading. Back-to-back two dodges has given momentum towards the downside on JJ. And see where it is heading. You can see that this is a liquidity zone where there is a high liquidity in that area, and the market is penetrating that liquidity zone, might be coming back below the support here. Okay, so here after the breakdown on GBPJPY, looking to see if it is dropping to this support again. So this is an order block here on GJ. We might find potential entry opportunity. So this is an important support. There is an order block here. So if we look at here, and in this order block, we look at, it's a gap here, and you can see that there's a resistance here which is turning support. So wanting to see that it's breaking below. If it is coming to that order block, because it's a long-term bull market, if we look at the daily as well, so it's a bull market, which is if it is dropping to the order block, which will be the daily support, and from that daily support we may see that the market is potentially bouncing back to the upside. So here a very strong drop, narrow doji formation. Thank you for joining the live session, guys. I will be waiting for further entry opportunity. Okay, so there is a doji on the 1 minute. We will be seeing that if the market dropping here, it might just keep pushing high. Okay, we'll be looking for, I think we might see, if the market is coming to that order block, then we'll be looking for entry. And by the way, we can see that XAU USD are trying to break again in the direction to the downside. So we may see some short-term drop here. Let's see if there is any opportunity for us. So from the daily, we can see that from that level, there is a rejection, and the only thing is that I normally try to avoid trading against the trend unless we see a very good opportunity. Here we can see the trend is down, so we might see that the market is in a downtrend, and the long-term trend is up, so I will be highly interested on bullish opportunity. So if we see the market basically reverse from that level, we'll see that how it goes. In the meantime, traders, if you're enjoying the live session, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that notification bell so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every single day. In addition, also, if you guys want to learn more about the liquidity concept, also you can find link below this video where you will be learning the liquidity concept, also trading with me in the live market. That's how I believe that you can learn and grow as a trader, seeing the real trading example in the VIP live trading room. So with that said, let's look at, we have a giveaway. I will be still waiting for entry. Patience is key in trading. When you are trading, you must be patient, which is the key to be profitable as a trader. Being patient as a trader, which will give you always a strength as a trader. And before we start the giveaway, a couple of links that I can share with you in the live chat. You can use join the free Telegram channel link below this video in the description. Also, I have shared with you the link in the live chat. Stay connected to join us to learn and grow as a trader. And let's now look at, I'll be looking at now completely from fresh perspective. Let's look at how we can give the giveaway. So also there is a coupon you can find at the top of the chat for so funded prime. If you want to be a funded, then you can visit the website. You can find also link below this video. For the funded prime, you can go with any account size to start a challenge. If you want to be, you can find the link below this video to be part of prop firm that you can trust, and also I trust that, so you can look at that. So with that said, thank you, and let's go into the giveaway. We'll be writing the keyword. Based on that keyword, I will be giving away one mentorship, which is where you will be able to learn with me, mentored by me. The keyword for is liquidity, so liquidity. So if you write that on the live chat, you will be eligible for entering into the competition. So today we have few competition, so few members in the competition, so there is a high chance. So I would recommend you to write down the liquidity to start in entering into the competition for the giveaway. Thank you. You can write that, and let's look at that. So we found few eligible members. For eligible members in the giveaway, five eligible members in the giveaway, 6 eligible members in the giveaway, so we will take few more members for the giveaway competition. You can write liquidity to enter into the competition. Okay, so you count 7 eligible members in the giveaway. So you can write down the keyword liquidity to enter into the competition of the giveaway. So you can find that 7 eligible members in the giveaway section. Thank you. Found 9 eligible members in the giveaway. We'll be taking few more members in the giveaway. So we will be announcing the giveaway to be part of Forex Trading Wizard Academy. We'll take 10 members for the competition, and then we'll be rolling it up. So we found 10 members for the giveaway. I'm rolling it up. Derek 857. So Derek, I think you are already in the academy as far as I'm concerned. So I will be re-roll it. If you are not, still you can let us know. Urban Favor. So Urban Favor is today's winner of the liquidity candle. But Derek, if I'm mistaken, if you are not in the academy yet, also you can let us know. We'll be taking you in case, because I know that Derek is in the academy. Urban Forex, Urban Favor, today's winner of the liquidity candle strategy, liquidity concept. And if you want to be part of, now you are a winner, so you can be part of the liquidity concept. You can visit the website link below this video, and then go to the contact us page, where I can give you all the information how you can get access to the academy. We can send you email with the full access. So it was a great session, guys. I hope that you learned something from here and energized for next session. Also will be coming up on live on in my zone from regular time. We will be delaying 1 hour because we are doing here, and then that side we will be delaying 1 hour, and I would invite you to join there as well. And also in the meantime, I will be trading in the VIP trading room. If you are not there, also you can join us via the website. So stay connected by joining the free Telegram channel for all the education and everything that you can find. With that being said, thank you very much for joining the live session. I'll see you again trading live together. Until then, stay well.